Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another brand new video in our channel Amazing Warrior, and this video is very interesting video for you because with a video editing software you can capture your screen. Most of us, even me, before introducing Filmora, like to record my screen with another software, but you don't have to use any extra software for recording your screen as well as voice. So this is going to be very useful tutorial for you. So without any further talk, let's jump into the tutorial.
Yes, you can record your computer screen using this amazing video editing software, and let's see how to do this. Okay, for recording your computer screen, first go to record. You see here is an option of record, then click on record PC screen. Okay, and a new pop-up comes up to your screen, and here are lots of options available for you. Okay, and a pop-up comes up to your screen, and first one is the screen, how much of your screen you want to record. Like if you want full screen, then choose full screen from here. If you want to record a specific portion of your screen, then you can do this. Just select custom, and here you see a blue bar in the side of my screen, and you are not watching the upper side. It's not a big deal that you are not watching the upper side. Okay, so if I minimize it like this, then it will record only this portion. And if you want to keep record your specific portion of your screen, then you can do this like this. You can change your record position, you can minimize it or maximize it.
Hello, sorry for interrupt. For watching more of our videos, check the link I have written here.
And as much as you want. So I am now selecting from here to here or here, and next one is voice recording option, like which type of input device you want to use while you recording your screen. I have only two, but if you have more, you can choose your input device. Next one is system audio recording, like if you want to record your computer audio or your device audio, then you can do this. Like if you play anything in your computer and you want to record this, then you can do this by this option and select your input option here. And let's come to the bottom part, like saving destination, like where you want to save your screen recorded file. Then from here you can choose your location. And next one is frame rate. I give 30 frame rate per second, and I recommend you to do this. Quality, I prefer best. You can go for good or better, but best is always best, you know. And next one is record timer, like if you want to record for a specific time, then you can do this from here. Like this one is hour, minute and second, so I don't like this one. And next one is mouse, and which type of mouse cursor you want. And last one is the mouse click sound, like if you want to record your click sound, then you can do this just by marking this one, and if you don't want, then just uncheck this one. And next one is hotkey, like which key you want to use for recording or stop your recording. And here you can give F2, F3, anyone you want. So I am giving here F3, and just click on this one, record. And it will take 5 seconds. Okay, now it's get started recording. So here I am typing a channel name, Fail Army, and here you see the recording option, that means that your screen is recording. And this is the system audio.
You're good. Don't scream.
Okay, and now I will press F3 for stop my recording. Okay, so my screen is recorded, and here is the video file. So I will keep it here and just watch it.
This is the system audio. Oh my god. You're good. Don't scream.
My screen is now recorded, and this is how you can record your screen easily in the video editing software Wondershare Filmora. And now one bonus tips for you, like if you want to record your voice, only voice, not screen, then you can do this in the Filmora. And to do this, just go to record option, and here you see an option named record voiceover, or press Alt+R for shortcut key. So I'm pressing this one, and here is the input device option, and if you click on this icon, then your voice will be recorded. So I'm clicking on this one. Now it's recorded, and here is the recorded file. Okay, I stop it and click on OK. So I also can record my voice easily in the video editing software Wondershare Filmora. And that's all about this video.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and hope you understand all this video. And if you don't understand any part of this video, then please leave a comment what you don't understand. Feel free to leave a comment whatever it is. It might be a positive or negative, or it might be a suggestion, or if you don't understand, obviously you would say us. So see you again in the next video, and make sure you have subscribed our channel Amazing Warrior.